Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, episode number 2 of Rate of Change of Application of what? Differentiation. The area of a circle is increasing at a rate of 4.0 centimeters square per second. We have to find the rate of change, that's the rate of increase of each radius when the radius itself is 5, the rate at which the radius is changing. That's dr over dt. Then we already been given the area of a circle. So from here, from the question, we are having the a dt, the rate at which the area is decreasing with respect to t, has been given as what? 4.0 centimeters square per second. We have to find the rate at which the radius is changing. We also have radius given as 5.0 centimeter, and we are asked to find dr dt. So this is the information we have for the question. We need this. But from there, the area we are having here is the area of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is given by A equals to pi r what? Square. So we need to find the rate at which the area is changing with respect to r, meaning our dA, dr, differentiation of A with respect to the r. We know this come forward because pi is a constant. The 2 goes there and multiply it. So 2 pi r square minus 1 give you r. So that's it. We have done the dA. So we need to use the chain rule, which says that we are looking for the r dt. It means you begin with the r dt equals to the r dA. So there are 3 alphabets we are dealing with, A, R, and T. So dr will come, the next alphabet will come, then that alphabet, then divided by the t. So that the A, the r, the t, those will be the chain rule multiplication. So now we need to do substitution. The r, the A. Do we have the r, the A? The r, the A. You see that there's a change here. So here I can say that your dr dA is reciprocal. I am changing it. So it means I reciprocate this. That will be 1 out of 2 pi r. See, this is what we need. Not the A, the R, but rather the R, the A. You find the reciprocal of that. So that simply means here, the R, the A will be 1 out of 2 pi r times the A dt, the A dt, which is going to be 4. If it is 4, what happened? We have the r also being given, the radius itself is given as what? 5. So it means at this point I'll be having 4 divided by 2 pi times what? 5. 1 times 4, 4. 2 pi r, 5. So we substitute that. I believe with this, I can be able to have 2 go here, 2. We'll cancel this. So I have 2 on 5. So 2 on 5 pi. Pi is in the denominator. So in this case, what do? Let's put all in a calculator. Because we can also find this as because this is in the denominator. So we cannot have it as 0.4 pi. So we put all this in the calculator and see what we will get. So that will be giving us 0.13, 0.127, so on. So we can say that. So therefore, we can say that the rate of increase of radius is going to be 0.13 centimeter per second. That will be the final representation. I'm sure this is also clear. If you have not watched the first episode on this, you can go in there and follow the steps that we will follow in solving questions of this nature. Share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Comment must be given for us to become interactive.